Welcome to the next lecture. In this video, I will guide you how to show custom error pages for the Shopme admin application. We need to use custom error pages in order to show user-friendly error messages instead of the default technical ones provided by Spring, and also make user interface of the error pages match the user interface of the application. Let me show you a few examples. Here, I'm currently logged in as an admin user here, and somehow I type a wrong URL like this /user, and you can see a white label error page. This is a default error page provided by Spring, and you can see it shows very technical error message with the status 404. So we should display a user-friendly error message with the same user interface of the application. Another example, I view the user's listing page here, and I sort the user list by email, and somehow the sort field in the URL here is wrong, like this, and I got a very technical error page here showing the code, the exception structure. So we should replace this technical error page by a user-friendly error message with the same user interface as of the application. And another example, let me log out and log in as another user. For example, Dev Kumar. Okay, I have logged in successfully as the user Dev Kumar, who has roles editor and assistant. And somehow I access the user's module here, but I don't have permission. So I got the white label error page with the status code is 403 for HTTP forbidden error. So we also need to replace this technical error page by a user-friendly error message with the same user interface as of the application. Basically, we need to create custom error pages to handle the most common HTTP error codes such as 403, 404, and 500. For HTTP error code 403, the user-friendly error message should be "Sorry, you don't have permission to access this page." And for HTTP 404 error code, the message would be "Sorry, the requested page could not be found." And for HTTP 500 error code, the message would be "Sorry, the server has encountered an error while processing your request." And for other HTTP error codes, we show a zero custom error page with the message is "Sorry, an unexpected error has occurred." Alright, come back to the project and let's create the first custom error page for the zero error message. So in the templates directory here, we create a new HTML file. HTML here, and the file name must be error.html. Finish. Okay, and we copy the code for the menu navigation and footer from the index page here. We copy the code for the head here. Okay, and change the title of this page to error Shopme admin. And in the body of the page, we copy the code. Okay, so we copy and paste and modify. Okay, we keep the navigation menu and keep the footer, and we just show a user-friendly error message for zero error message here. So we use heading 2 tag, and the error message should be "Sorry, an unexpected error has occurred." And we use the class with the margin 3 for this deep section. Okay, save the change and let's test home page. Login. Remember me, login. Okay, now for example, I type a wrong URL here, user And you see the custom error page appears with the message, sorry, an unexpected error has occurred. Perfect. This error page will be displayed when the HTTP error codes other than 404, 403, and 500. For example, I change the short file name here, and we also got the error page here. And now let's create another custom error page for more specific HTTP error code 404. So we need to create a new directory under the template folder here. Make a new folder, and the folder name must be error here. And inside this error, we can put the custom error pages for specific HTTP error codes. So we can copy, paste, and modify the error page here. Paste. Okay, and change the file name to the HTTP error code we want to handle. 404 is HTTP error code for the page not found error, and then we change the message here to sorry, the requested page could not be found. Okay, now let me try to access a page that does not exist here. And you can see now we see the specific error message, sorry, the requested page could not be found. Similarly, we create the third error page for the HTTP error code 403. So copy, paste, and modify the message. The error code is 403. 403 here, and the error message is sorry, you don't have permission to access this page. Okay, and let's test that error message. I log out. Okay, and log in as another user who is not admin. Here, this user has a roles editor and assistant, not admin. So when I try to access the user listing page, and I will got the error, and you can see the error message is sorry, you don't have permission to access this page. This is a custom error message for the HTTP error code 403. And you can see the error, the exception printed in the console view here. You see. Okay, and lastly, we need to create the custom error page for the HTTP error code 500. So copy, paste, and modify here. 500 is the HTTP error code for internal server error, and then we change the error message to yeah, sorry, the server has encountered an error while processing your request. That's it. And let's test this error. Home page. Okay, log out and log in. Okay, see the user listing page, and somehow the short file name is wrong here. And you'll see the error message display. Sorry, the server has encountered an error while processing your request. Perfect. So that's how to create custom error pages for the Xiaomi admin application. Basically, we need to create 4 error pages. The first one is for zero error. So we need to create the error HTML file under the template directory. And for specific HTTP error codes, we need to create the HTML files with the file name is HTTP error code for 44350 here. And then we make the user interface same as the user interface of the application, as you can see here.